Drowning in project chaos? Let's cut through the noise and directly compare two titans of project management, Wrike and Microsoft Planner, to see which one truly fits your team like a glove. First up, task management. Wrike excels with its customizable workflows, dependencies, and Gantt charts for complex projects. Notice how you can visualize everything so easily, which is great for the larger, more complex projects. Microsoft Planner keeps it simple with Kanban boards and drag-and-drop ease, perfect for agile teams and smaller initiatives. Here we can see its focus on simplicity. Collaboration is key, and Wrike offers go-bust features like commenting, proofing, and real-time editing. Think of it as a collaborative hub where everyone stays on the same page, which also makes communication a breeze. Planner seamlessly integrates with the Microsoft ecosystem, particularly Teams, providing notifications and file sharing within your familiar workspace. If you're deep into Microsoft, it's a real time saver. Reporting is where Wrike shines with its advanced dashboards and analytics, providing deep insights into project performance. If you're data-driven, this is your playground. Planner offers basic charts and progress tracking, while Euro sufficient for keeping tabs on team progress at a glance, but less detailed. Now, the crucial part: pricing. Wrike offers various plans depending on features and users, while Microsoft Planner is typically included in Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Consider your budget and feature needs carefully to make the best decision. Ultimately, the choice between Wrike and Microsoft Planner depends on your project complexity, team size, and preferred ecosystem. Now that you know the differences, which tool will empower your team to conquer those projects? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management insights.